Nanti yuk angkat itu kira berapa? Ini cucu lagi kan? Đầu tiên喺度我落魚又唔講，頭先我攞呢落魚嘛。
This is Su Ming preparing for containers to carry the fishes and frogs and the eels. So we are buying from this Chinese coffee shop restaurant. So they are preparing all the live fishes for us now. 可以。
我可以做到这个通通给你，我下面不可以，你给我，因为 tomorrow 12 o'clock 我有 dinner table。
Pening sikit, which is
Yeah, he's moving. He's still moving. I'm just trying to give him more oxygen.
ada.
Boleh ya. You nak kahwin pun boleh.
Nak kahwin.
Hari keluarga pun boleh. Hari jadi pun boleh. Kahwin tanpa nikah boleh. Hah? Tanpa nikah?
Ya.
求掉，求掉，求掉。
Okay, okay.
There. Hi, Poo Poo.
Okay ya.
走。
领导冇冇呢？
Look at
Hey, our friend.
Okay. Yep.
He jump out there. Ding ding.
进来，进来。
Wow.
Swimming very fast, huh?
come on. It's cute.
This frog, Chinese people, most people.
Yeah, they eat.
Right.
前面。
Okay.